This is a demo video of On Guard app. When you initially open up On Guard, it'll ask you to allow On Guard to send notifications. You'll click Allow. Next are the important disclosures. Accessibility service, what we access, screen content, text, and images to detect harmful material, why we need it, to monitor for not safe for work content and protect you in real time. Your privacy. All processing happens on your device. No data is uploaded to any servers. No data is shared with third parties. Your control. You can disable this service at any time in Android settings. To consent, you say, I understand how OnGuard uses these accessibility services. Next, we'll scroll down to the SMS alerts. Consent. What we do, we send automated SMS alerts to your pre-approved accountability partners, allies. When SMS is sent, only when harmful content is detected and you don't respond to any warnings and you continue to view the harmful content. Message content. We have pre-formatted supportive messages that you can select from. No sensitive details are shared. There's also an option for you to custom create your own message inside of our app. Your control. You choose who receives alerts. Allies must approve before receiving messages. You can disable SMS at any time. What this means is that when you add an ally, they'll get an email to accept being your ally, and after they approve, then you'll be able, whenever NSFW content is detected and you don't respond to any of the nudges to avoid it, then an SMS will be sent from your device. And we'll say, we just understand. Your privacy matters to us. All content analysis happens locally on your device. We do not upload screenshots or texts to any servers. We do not read your SMS messages. We have the pre-formatted ones, but if you decide to choose your own custom SMS message that will be sent if a detection should occur and you do not respond to any of the nudges, we can't see what you put in that SMS pre-formatted SMS message. We do not share any data with third parties. An SMS is sent, never received or read. So when we send an SMS to your ally, that's you sending the SMS. This is to automate you initializing that contact to ask a friend for support. That's how we implement the automation. We use the accessibility to SMS and call log permissions, which is the android.permissions.send SMS. So after we've checked all that, we've hit I understand and consent. Next, we'll come in here and put in our email. And then the password. And you can hit remember me, or you could say forgot password, sign up now. We'll just sign in. So then after you've consented, then you're going to say you're going to want to enable OnGuard. So you'll say get OnGuard. After this, we have another accessibility service disclosure that pops up. OnGuard uses Android's accessibility services to protect you. Here's what we access. Screen content, text, or screenshots to detect harmful material. This is very explicit material. All right. We're not going to be detecting everything that pops up on your screen, but if it is very explicit and matches some preset regular expressions, then we'll know that that's explicit harmful material. And you will be getting a notification in that instance. Screenshots to analyze images. Those screenshots, you may be scrolling through, whatever it is on your phone. When we see, we'll take a screenshot, and on your device, those screenshots will be analyzed. app names to know which app you're using, and then your privacy. All processing happens on your device. Once you install OnGuard, it all happens on your device. No data is ever uploaded to any servers. No data is shared with third parties. We only detect harmful content patterns. By continuing, you acknowledge this disclosure and consent to enable the accessibility services for content protection. So we'll say, I understand and continue. This will then take you to your accessibility settings where you'll go to OnGuard. You'll say allow. Get another disclaimer, this one from Android, saying full control is approved for apps to help with accessibility needs, but not for most apps. So this is the view and control. We just use it to view and take a screenshot, and then on your device, a LLM analyzes those screenshots. View and perform actions. So like we said, we take a screenshot and on your device, it's analyzed. Nothing to do with any remote servers or anything like that. It's all on your device. So then we'll hit allow. After this, we'll go back and we'll see OnGuard is enabled. You can disable this too at any time. So then you would just come back here and disable. So then we're going to enable send SMS. So you would hit allow OnGuard to send and view SMS messages. All we do is send. We don't view any. But also everything is on your device. So there's nobody's seeing any of your text messages or your device activity. Allow. So then if we come in here to settings, we can go and see how we configure our allies that receive SMS messages. So you can see here, I have an ally pre-configured, and then one pending. So if I want to add an ally, then we'll use this example, but we'll remove this ally, and then we'll add an ally, and we'll add John Doe, and we'll say that his phone number is that, and email is and we'll add. This ally will then receive a request to be notified in a case of maybe you want support. And what that looks like is we'll come up here and we'll say, this is just viewing a sample SMS. So this is an example of what your ally might see if you use one of our pre-formatted SMS messages. So they would say, OnGuard test message. This is just a test from the user. This is not a real-time alert. And it's just to validate that the system is working, right? So then we would close that, and then we can configure the SMS alert. So we can say, maybe we want a supportive check-in, a gentle, encouraging message asking the ally to reach out, an urgent support, which is, maybe you want your friends to really be on it if content and harmful content is detected on your device. So this is an urgent support. So you can do that, or a brief alert, short and concise. Something like, hey, reach out to Gus, something like that. And then you can do a custom message. Custom message allows you to decide what gets put in there. So for a custom alert, maybe we put in, hi, hey, this is me asking you to reach out for some support, right? And then you say, okay, save. So now if that content's detected, this SMS that you pre-formatted will get sent out. So it allows you to automate that, initialization to ask somebody for help. So then we'll go back to our, regular screen. And in this case, we'll go ahead and test a notification. So testing notifications, you see this, something will pop up. And then if you click this, it'll redirect you to positive content. Then if you hit test SMS, we'll click that. And then an SMS message will have been sent. You can see this in your activity timeline when a test occurs. It's really thin right now because we only have an hour, but you can see that there have been 2 tests. And if we look closely, we can kind of see that bar right there. Whoops. we went ahead and logged out. So we'll just log back in. And we will put in the password, sign in, and then we can see that test SMS message occurred right there where you can see the orange. The ledger down here lets you know what's going on. So then we'll go ahead and in our emulator go to our messaging app here, and we could see that when we performed that test message, we sent a test message to our ally. So you can see right there, there's the ally, test message, on-guard test message. Hi, this is, a test from the user. This is not a real-time alert, just making sure the SMS system is working. If you receive this, the on-guard app is set up correctly and no action is needed. So there we go. And that's an on-guard test mode. So that is a brief demonstration of how that will work. We're not going to go ahead and, scroll through any sort of, obscene content to show how that's working, but this is just demonstrating the SMS call log permissions and how we're automating that interaction with users to ask for help. So the user decides, hey, if a negative pattern is detected, I want one of my friends to be notified to reach out to me. They can use a supportive pre-formatted text that says like, hey, reach out to your buddy. Or you have the control to format the message yourself. Maybe you want to say you only want one ally and you want it to be more personalized, like, hey, John Doe, this is, Jake. Can you please reach out to me? I'm struggling and could use some support. And that is all. I appreciate your time. Bye.